Hello, this is Frida. Welcome to my channel. Welcome to part 3 on how to crochet the Cucinelli Cardigan 2025. So I have finished 27 rows. I'm going to start repeating. So I did do a tutorial on how to knit one panel. I ended up making total of 15 panels, 14 and 15. It's around my waist area. So I am going to knit. I have the zipper. As I said, I don't know where I bought it. The two ends are like this. It's really hard to find a decent zipper here in Edmonton. So I'm going to use this, and I'm going to use this height and then go from there. So I don't know. I'm going to do the neck area, the underarm. So I will keep on coming back to show you how to do that. How to bind off the underarm and how to bind off the neck. Okay, I'm doing one piece bottom up. I didn't want to do three pieces back and two fronts, because it's really hard when you're sewing up. It's really hard to join. It does stretch, and when it's lace, I can see it. Others can't see it, but I'm really picky with that, so I would prefer to knit it this way. I know there's lots of knitting involvement. So there's total of 15 motifs, the diagram that I showed, and total of 210 stitches. Excuse me. Here it was less stitches. I'm going to do a different tutorial on how to make this stretchy, because I don't think I have the tutorial. I will make a hat or something, and I will show you how to do it. I really like it. It doesn't stretch. Compare to at the beginning on the part 1, I showed you how I did it. I did the chain method using a crochet hook. That stretched a lot, and it was like double size of this. Like, it was twice as big as this. But this is perfect. Even the lace stitch stretches, so it fits me perfect. It's cotton bamboo blend, as I said earlier. It's this yarn again. Let me show you Lion Brand Kaboo. It's beautiful yarn. I really like it. I've been hoarding this yarn. 50 cotton, 49 bamboo. The other day I was at Walmart. I grabbed this color. I'm going to make a motif vest, and I really like it. It's lacy, so it's crocheted. I will come and do a tutorial, and she used this color, and I don't have this color in my stash. I usually have mohair or wool blend or other stuff, and I don't feel comfortable wearing. I like cotton, so that's why I grabbed. There were 5 of them. And I just love it how this turns out. And for some reason, every time I go on YouTube, I see finished items or Instagram finished items. People are wearing this stitch. Okay, I'm going to say, like, even when I'm following the diagram, some of the stitches doesn't match. So you have to be very careful, especially when you're doing the yarn over twice. And when you're knitting the next row on the front, on the odd number, don't forget to pick up that stitch. If you miss it, you're in big trouble. So it has to be 14 stitches every time. If you have less, then you're in big trouble. So you have to go back and count it. And I always go back and check. Do I have this same here? Do I have this same here? If I don't have the same here, then I might have made a mistake. So far, I'm very, this is my second attempt. I already started and it didn't work out. So I had to frog that. And in part one, you will see that it's so funny. But I am so proud of myself. I really like the stitch. It looks like it's a busy stitch, but it looks like it does look very good. I put it on my waist area and looked at the mirror, and it looked very, very nice. I really like it. And I'm knitting with 2 strands to give that thickness. Okay, just to point out, it says it's a 4 weight, but I think it's a heavy 3 weight. It's sometimes, oh no, it is a 3 weight, yeah. So this is not a 4 weight. And the recommending knitting needles, can't even see it here. It says 4. But on the rib, I used a 4. And when I came here, I used a 5. Even I doubled it. And I think it looks good. So I would love to hear from you. Like, again, just be very cautious when you're knitting. You will get confused. The diagram is always in front of me. And I will put the diagram on the front of this video and at the end. And you can pause it and you can look at it. I also tagged but there are so many other people doing this stitch, knitting this stitch, but the most I liked was Lana, so I tagged her on part 1, so you can go back. She's just showing one diagram. At the beginning she's showing 2, and then further on 25, 26, 27 she's showing just 1 diagram. So it's a repeat. You just repeat it. There are some tricks at the end. I believed I showed it on my part 1. But if you missed it, I would highly recommend you to go to check Lana. I did even pin it on part 1 for you to see. So I just wanted to share this. This was going to be part 3. I just wanted to give you the updates. I might make this a playlist. I don't know. We'll see, because it's gonna take me a while to come back. This took me, I think, 5-6 days just to knit this. I'm sure this stitch is new to me. The more I knit it, because I am planning to make a vest, and I am sharing shorts, and I'm gonna make a short for that. And just to give you an idea that you can make a vest with this stitch, and it really looks good. Vest, or I don't know, a short top, summer top. Yeah, so I'm going to start the first diagram, the first row of the diagram, and just be careful not to get tangled. I don't have balls or anything, so what I did is I put 1 ball next to me and the other ball is on the ground. That way it doesn't get tangled. See? It doesn't get tangled at all. It doesn't twist. But if you have the 2 balls you're knitting with, it does get tangled and it twists, and it's not easy to what you call it, to untangle it. Yeah. Especially when you're doing the knit 2 together, slip, slip, and then knit from the back, and have towards facing the left is very important. And then what you do is you knit 1, you just follow the chart on row 1 to repeat, and then you do 3 knits, and then these twists are very important. See these 2 twists, you knit this one, and then you knit this one, just like this, and then you continue.